As you may have heard, the SAT will be changing in 2016. So students who will be juniors in the fall of 2015 will be the first to have the opportunity to take the new SAT. Details about the new test are still being released, but here are some of the most important changes that we already know about. On the SAT, the current writing and reading sections will be combined into one section known as a verbal section, and so students will only receive 2 scores instead of 3. The scoring scale of 200 to 800 will remain in place, but now a perfect score will be a 1600 instead of a 2400. Another important change is that the penalty for wrong answers will be eliminated, so students will now have the opportunity to guess on every question even when they're unsure of the answer, without fear of losing points. On the new SAT, the essay will be longer than the current 25 minutes, but it will be optional. On the math section of the new SAT, there will be a greater emphasis on algebra skills, and students will only be able to use a calculator on one of the 2 math sections. On the verbal section of the new SAT, the vocabulary will now actually test words that people use on a regular basis, rather than words that students have memorized only for the purposes of trying to improve their SAT scores. Also on the new verbal section, the reading passages will ask students to analyze information presented in graphic form, as well as in text form. These are just some of the important changes coming to the new SAT. You can find information about the new SAT on the College Board website, and continue to pay attention to our website as we provide information about how to prepare for the new version of the SAT. Thank you.